Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. In the previous episode we have discussed to basically automate the For Me app, which is basically this URL right here. We just automated this one without using the page object. I actually discussed the page object module concept in one of my previous videos, you can check it out right there, but this was about the WebDriver, and today we're going to automate the same thing using the TestCafe. So this is the website that we automated, here's how it looked like. And here's the problem, everything used to be just like all in one place. It just like structured not really nicely, right? I mean, it doesn't look good. It's like everything in one spot. Yeah, we definitely need to restructure it because it's really hard to add some more stuff later on. Let me show you how it actually should look like. And here's how it looks like after we basically structured everything. Instead of using just like all in one place, we're using the specific kind of methods and we are calling the specific pages. So in our example, the only page that we had, basically this page, right? So this is the only page we had, but imagine what if we had like 10 pages or 20 pages or like 50 pages. In this case it would be kind of nightmare just handling and all that in just like one class. So for that reason we're using page object, and to use page object I basically created this folder which is called page objects basically, right? Here I have just like one page because what? We just automating one page. And from this method right here, for me app.js, we just calling this page and executing methods from there. I think it's pretty clear from here, right? So we're doing like await, form field, type username, type last name, type job title. So we're basically executing those methods from this class. And this class has the implementation of all that. First of all, we have a constructor right here. So we have class form field, the constructor. We're basically matching the name of the constant, like first name, with a specific selector that it has, like first name, last name, job title, and stuff like that. So we just like matching all those. And then we are implementing methods. And as you can see, it's pretty simple as well. So we are taking name as a specified parameter right here, and we specify this right here in the main class, right? So Nomadic, Dmitry, QA engineer, and stuff like that. So this is how we do that. And here's the implementation. Again, we're just using specific methods here, like type text and click, two methods here. In some cases, we're using two actions. For example, we need to open the menu, and in this menu, we need to select something. For example, we need to select here and select specific option right there. Again, it seems to me like it's really nicely structured, and comparing to WebDriver, we don't need to mess around with any configurations at all. It just like works all out of the box. For example, let me show you. TestCafe, we specify the name of the framework that we're using basically, then we specify the web browser, and then of course the main method that we're using right here. That's how it works, and then we start it. Again, there should be no difference at how it used to work in the previous example, in the previous video that I showed you, but here it's much better structured. I actually like this TestCafe kind of animation when it starts. This is how it does it. So it fills out all those forms, submits, checks, and all that. There are three tests that we have right here, and I've only added page objects to this test because it has the most amount of methods. Those two can also be automated, and we can also have specific methods in either this page, or we can create another page object, like whatever you like. It's all about like creating the specific constructor with all the specific CSS selectors or IDs or unique IDs or anything else that we match the objects, and then implementing the methods. That's it basically. Probably we can add some additional logic here. For example, we can have all those fields implemented right there instead of just typing all this in the main method, but I mean, we also want some kind of flexibility, right? This is how it's done. Guys, this is really simple. If you want to practice, of course, you can just go ahead and implement those methods in a separate page object, or use the same form field, like whatever you like. For example, you can create a utils class for specific tests right here, like verifying that form was submitted and verifying that specific resize test was executed. So if you want to practice, go ahead and practice and implement those. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, press the like button. There will be many more videos, and I hope to see you soon. So right.